If we have a 3D DXF DWG CAD drawing, we can import it and transform it into a magnetic grid. Accessing the MagneticGrid editor, let's select the DXF option from the menu, and by clicking once within the drawing workspace area, we can then import the 3D model. The imported drawing structure is recognized as a combination of rods and nodes and is then attached to the cursor. A further click fixes it into place. Once the modeling phase is complete, we can then click Finish. In the 3D view, we can insert our beams using the automatic generation from the 3D magnetic grid.